I will demonstrate on my final year project, which is WeHandle Penang Island Waste Management System mobile application using Flutter framework. So I am going to demo on the registration of the application for both WeHandle and WeHandle agent, as well as the sign in. On the right is the public side of the application, and on the left is the WeHandle agent, the agent side of the application. So to begin with, if a user want to make a report, you can just click on the plus button and they will be presented by a waste report form. They will need to include all the related information. They can either choose or search for the waste type related to the waste report and then include address. For this address, I had already I provide to text field for address, where user can enter the address manually or click on the get location button, where the application will get their live location and return the human readable address. So in this case, I will do both. And the next one is to put the area and then the postcode and the waste location. This is for them to specify the waste location, for example, behind the building or in front of the building. Then for the description, they can just put any description for their waste report, and then they can upload photo for the report, and then view the uploaded photo. For now, I am using a preloaded image as I am demonstrating this application on a simulator, so there's no camera access or any camera hardware for simulator. So after everything has been filled in, they can just click on report, and then after that, the agent would not receive the report yet. The report will not be displayed in the agent side yet, because the WeHandle admin will need to evaluate the report first before approving the report to be available to the agent for them to handle. So they can evaluate and choose to either approve or reject the report. If they reject the report will be deleted from the database, and then if they approve the report will be in the agent side of the application. So the agent can either choose to accept the report or not to accept the report from this screen, or they can just click on the report. There's no reject button, because if the agent choose to not accept the report, other agent will accept the report will get this report to be displayed on the application, to be displayed to them. So agent can accept the report, and then when the report has been accepted, the user will receive a notification that their waste report is now in handling. So when they know that the waste report is now in handling, they can just view the report in the in handling page, where if they can also click on the report, and then in the report it will include the agent name as well as the date of accept and the time of accept. So user can wait for the process, and then in the agent side, after the agent had already completed or finished assessing the waste issue, they can just click on the report, the specific report that they had already completed, and then add a remark for user reference, and then mark the report as completed. So then user will actually receive a notification saying that their WIS report is now in handle, means that the WIS report has been completed and has been assessed. So they can just view the report in the handle section or handle page, and they can click on the WIS management report to view the completed and whole WIS management report. In this report as well includes the reward point information, where it will display the reward points that they get when for the report, as well as for the agent. In the handle report history, they can see and browse the past or history of their WIS management, and also click on the specific report to see the whole management report, as well as the points that they get for that activity, for that management. So to view their point in the agent side, for them to view their reward point, they can just click on the reward point button in the middle, and then they will be directed to the reward point page, and then in the page it will display the accumulated point for that agent from their WIS management activity, and then their latest handle information such as date and time. They can also click on redeem point button to redeem their point with the municipal. So in the public side, they can just click on the reward points button, and then they will be directed to the reward point page. Displayed in the reward point page as well is the accumulated point that they received from the WIS report that they had made, and they can also redeem point and view the latest report, which that gave the latest point to them. So user can also view all the WIS report from the WIS report screen. Include in the WIS report screen is the status of every WIS report. So this is the page to display all of the WIS report, and also the WIS report history, which is the WIS management report. So you can also edit the data and log out, as well as the agent. So for the administration, view pending WIS report, where all pending WIS report will be displayed in this page, which I had already shown before, and then all the report that is in process, and all the handle report, which is report that has been assessed. They can also manage user as well as manage agent, such as by deleting or viewing or by deleting them.